Hi, in this video I'm showing you how to quickly categorize items in an other category. So say for example we have this list here and we just want to categorize the Korean and the German cars, but everything else we want to put in an other category. And this is we'll be using the switch function, which is available in Office 365 for PC and Mac, or Windows and Mac, and versions of Excel 2019. It's kind of a nice function, and this is how we actually do it. So you just type in switch tab and expression. That is your value that you want to evaluate, and based on that value, if it is Hyundai, let's say that this is Hyundai, what result do I want to have? Well, I want the result to say Korean cars. And anything else now, the default value, I'll just say other. Close parentheses, press enter. Now we have Korean. Everything else should be other. Double click the fill handle and everything is other. And I can just take this now. This puts everything in another category, and I can turn this into a pivot table to kind of like give me my counts. So go to insert pivot table. Let's put the pivot table in a location here. Click OK, and my category is here. My make is here, and we want to do a count. Let's do a count of my make. Right. So we have 1, and everything is, all the others is 11. If we decide that we want to have maybe 2 categories that are kind of a little more detailed instead of other, let's say we have Mercedes-Benz, and I'm just going to copy this so I don't have to type it all up. Press Control C to copy, press escape. Let's go back in the formula here, and I'll delete this. I'll just do it over again. So it could either be default or value 2. Default is the other, but if I put another value and I say open parenthesis, open quotes, Control V to paste Mercedes-Benz, close quote, and it sees Mercedes-Benz, what result do I want to give it? I'll just say German, and close quote. And now my default is other. Close quotes, close parentheses, press enter. Double click the fill handle to copy it down. Now you see German shows up there. And if I refresh the pivot table, click inside the pivot table, right click, and click refresh. So we'll notice that German shows up here. I also like for that, usually I want that to be a little bit more descriptive. So under the pivot table, on the report layout, let's show in tabular format. And so it kind of tells you the headers. It gives you the headers instead of those generic headers. So that is how you can create another category based on your list of items using the switch function. Pretty handy feature here. Only available in Excel 2019 or Excel for Office 365 for both the Mac and Windows. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.